how to use Bumble swipe feature. Ready to start swiping on Bumble? Let's see how the swipe feature works. Open the Bumble app and go to the swipe screen, which is the main screen after logging in. You will see profile of potential matches one by one. To like someone, swipe right or tap the heart. To pass, swipe left or tap X. Easy, right? If you want to super like someone to show extra interest, swipe up or tap star. This make your profile stand out. Take your time to read bios and check photos. Swiping too fast might make you miss a great match. Start the conversation. So if you match, wait for a message or make your move if the other way around. And that's it. You are ready to swipe, match, and start chatting on Bumble. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick guides. Catch you in the next one.